Good morning. Today we're going to do the sound sort. Okay, I see the vowel pattern E, A, and R in this word here. Okay, I want to determine if it has a or an ear sound, so I need to read it out loud. If I wasn't sure which way to read the word, I could read it both ways and see which word I recognized. So in this word, I could say early or early, and then clearly we know the word early. And so it needs to go in the EAR, sounding like Okay, the next word, this one, volunteer. That needs to go into the EER, ear. And finally, we've got this word, kernel. We wouldn't ever hear kernel, so we know that it's kernel, like a kernel of popcorn. Okay, after you're done watching this, you and a partner can go ahead and sort the rest of the words that will appear at the bottom of the screen.